Good afternoon. Welcome to MarineMax Stuart. My name is Dan Thompson. Today we're going to be taking a look at Scout's 357 LXF. This unbelievable performer has some of the best styling in the industry with the shark gray hull, custom painted electronics and engines. Make this Scout one of the nicest looking boats on the water. As we climb aboard the 357, we'll notice Mercury's triple package of the 400 V10s. These now have the new e-steering, which allows for trouble-free joystick operation, responsive handling, and easy access to checking your daily maintenance with the ability to check your oil, as well as add oil if need be without moving your cowling. As we move forward into the cockpit, Scout's done a really nice job of giving you your dual washdowns, fresh and raw water underneath the seat. Underneath the seat, you will see access to your Seatkeeper 3. They also give you a nice convenient shelf to be able to, cut, store, and lay out your refreshments. Dual access live well in the back makes it really easy to access your bait or use it as a cooler when you're not out fishing. Nice robust transom seat, easy access to your bilge, and a great dive door over on your port side. The Scout has a really nice acrylic dash, 3 recessed screens. You have 2 9-inch and a 12 in the center. Also gives you your upgraded Mercury Vessel View 7, your joystick, pinnacle controls, and 3 seats. Convenient rod storage. Power table up and down. Matching storage both port and starboard. Great storage underneath the front of the lounge, including your welded dive ladder for your dive door. Power table makes it great for either sitting and enjoying or dropping it down and using it as a sun pad. You got storage underneath both seats and in the floor as well. Controls for your Fusion stereo. As we move forward down the line, you got easy access to your large cabin. End up where we started. Nice spacious cockpit. It's great for lounging, fishing, or however you like to enjoy your time on the water. If you have questions about this boat or any boat that MarineMax sells, again, my name is Dan Thompson at MarineMax Stuart. I look forward to seeing you on the water.